zoomed in a little bit. Okay, sorry. Hey folks, how y'all doing? It's Fat Guy Flies RC. We're going to take up the Carbon Z T-28 by E-FLITE Trojan. This is the original one, and this isn't my original one, but the first one got taken out by them power lines over there. Let me get down here at the other end of the runway. We'll get turned around. All right, we're going to put our takeoff flaps in. Let me get down here by my wonderful camera lady. I'm going to cut in behind you here, honey. All right, so I want to try to position yourself in the middle of the runway if you can. Here we go. Gear up.
Gear up.
Well, that flasher helps. And as normal, my gear hang up a little bit.
Gear down. Gear up.
I always got one gear at once. They always seem to come down no problem.
Landing flaps.
All right, we're going to bring her by slow and dirty like I was going to land her.
Time remaining 5 minutes.
Flaps are all the way down. Just show you how pretty this plane is.
Gear down.
All right, coming by dirty again. Flaps are down, gear is down. Gonna get her turned around here. Boy, she's got such a big presence in the air. Get my wings level down to about third throttle now. Down to half, actually down to about quarter. About 8 throttle. There we go. That's the way you want to do it right there. All right, we're going to get turned around. We're going to take off again. Here we go. No takeoff flaps this time. We're going to turn back towards... Actually, I should have waited and got my gear up when I was flat and straight.
Gear down. Gear up.
There we go. Turning back towards us, obviously. Got that one gear. It always wants to hang up for some reason.
4 minutes. Gear down. Landing flaps.
We're going to do a touch and go.
Flaps up.
And we're going to land now
Landing flaps.
from this side here. Touch and go again.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
We'll take her out. I'll level her out. Oh yeah. That's the way you want to do it right there. Still got 3 minutes. I'm going to turn back around.
Takeoff flaps.
And give me just a moment. I want to put a little more down deflection on that takeoff flap. So hold on just a second. So I want that to lift off a little bit more. All right, see what that does for us. Here we go. Yeah, almost.
Flaps up.
Almost.
Landing flaps.
What I'm wanting it to do, I'm wanting it to lift off by itself
Time remaining 3 minutes.
without any elevator input. Alright, back to my flaps. I'm just going to go ahead and take that down to -10. Alright,
Takeoff flaps.
get turned around here. And we're going to take off from down here. Here we go. Yeah, see? I didn't have to use any elevator,
Flaps up.
and she took off just fine. Not quite as much as I wanted,
Landing
but
flaps.
almost. I'm going to go ahead and cut it down to negative, or down to nothing, 0. There we go. All right, we're going to do this one more time. Take off flaps. And she should lift off the deck without any elevator input. Yep, she did. Okay.
Landing flaps.
Turn her out here towards the highway.
Remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, and just so you know, I'm running a 5000 Spectrum Smart Pack with a 30C discharge. Touch and go.
Flaps up.
All right.
Gear up.
Sorry about that, honey. All right, we're going to bring her by low and slow, low and fast. Nice presentation pass. We'll do the same thing again.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
All right, level my wings, about third throttle, down to quarter throttle, kill the throttle. There we go. Still got a minute. I want to do one more adjustment. And I'm going to take out the elevator to flap mix on takeoff flaps. All right. Takeoff flaps. Let me get turned around. I want to give it the full runway. All right, here we go.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Almost perfect.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
Down to about third throttle. Down to quarter throttle. No throttle. All right. There we go, folks. That is the original Carbon Z T-28. Let's get her back here to the deck or bring her in close. And I want to show you my battery placement. I flew
Flaps up.
for a hard, motor off, for a hard 5.5 minutes. A couple of high-speed passes, a lot of takeoffs, a lot of landings. I want to show you where I got my battery. First of all, let's check the battery voltage. What's left? As GB Linden likes to say, how much gas is in the tank? All right. 22%, so I don't dare go up again. That's 3.74 all the way down. Like I said, this is the original T-28 when they came out. Are you able to zoom in on that? The placement for the 6,000 or 5,000 is basically right in the middle where the two middle battery straps are being used. And that is the back here is the AR636B Sport receiver. Has safe and has safe select and AS3X. I of course am only using the AS3X. The only mod in this plane are those Dynametric quick connects and this E-FLITE, just to help with orientation on a cloudy day like this. Well, there you go, folks, and just to show you just how big this big boy is. She big. All right, let's put the gear up, because the way I store this plane, if I can get to it. Now watch them go all the way down this time. Yeah, see, what it is with T-28s, when they're flying and that wind is hitting them skirts and they vibrate, that causes a interruption, and almost always, well, one of them or all hang up a little bit. And the only way I could really probably combat that is A, get a more powerful retracts in there, or B, take off these landing doors, or the doors, and that would be less resistance from the wind and should cut out a lot of the vibration. They should open and close more reliably. Same situation with the nose, that vibration. So I might be able to help the mains, but I don't know if it'll help the nose gear or not. So, but they always come down, so I'm able to land. So, well, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends in planes. Bye-bye.